Good afternoon, mga loves. How are you all? How are you, everyone? Today, umulan po. It's raining day. For the first time. It's summer, but it's raining. So, share natin sa labas, guys. I-share natin, mga loves, ang nangyari sa labas. Mokti! Come here! I'm calling my staff out to check outside. Check na outside. It's raining. Yeah, maybe see, I'm sharing in my vlog. Come here, say hi in my vlog. Come. He feels shy. I told him to go outside to take shower. Yalla. You take shower. Wait, Wait, guys. I-share ko yung ulan sa labas. So, yun lang, mga loves. Raining. Rain, come away. Oy, Mokti, you know the song, the rain, go away? We need to sing it, rain, come away. My eye bags is so big, my loves, mga loves. I didn't sleep well because I'm going somewhere last night. So, have a nice day, everyone. Just sharing the rainy day here in UEA, Sharjah. Ang daming ignorante sa labas. Nagpapaulan. Charot.